Hello everyone! Today's recipe, super easy Korean anchovy bean sprout noodles. In Korean, 멸치콩나물국수. So, let's begin. In a pot with 3 to 4 cups of water, add the anchovy dasima and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the bean sprout and leave it for 5 minutes. In a boiling water, add the noodles and leave it for 4 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the Korean soup soy sauce, gukganjang, and leave it for 3 more minutes and it's done. And the noodles done also after 4 minutes. Wash it with cold water. In a bowl, add the noodles and the boiled sprout soup. Add the toppings, kimchi, egg, and some sesame seeds, and it's done. So easy to prepare. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye!